Alright, go for it.
You ready?
I'm ready. So now you let it cool a little bit. Always make sure you wear glasses, so then you chip it, no slag burns in your eye. And you can smack it a little bit, you don't have to rake it.
Okay.
But I'm just telling you what the right procedure would be.
What happened there?
What happened?
Yeah, what happened on the end there? What's that bubbiness from?
You kind of pulled way far away.
Okay.
You had insufficient gas coverage, I'd say.
At the end.
Yes.
Okay. I should have, what I did is I think I left off and pulled at the same
Yes.
time instead of
Yes.
letting off and then
Yes.
pulling. Okay.
See, if you ever want to utilize the post flow, you kind of need to leave it in the same spot
Okay.
anyways. So then you can set it for vertical out. See, the flux core kind of burned some of that imperfection back out on the top.
Yeah.
It was almost to drip though, but I was gonna have you like
Yeah, I was trying to melt
Yes.
that, and I held extra long in the middle, but I shouldn't have done that.
No, it's all good. I mean, that's just, I almost wanted you to drip, just so you see how long it really took.
Yeah,
although you held it before,
I know.
it still didn't
I know.
drip.
I know.
Lay it to the side for now to clean it's easier. See there?
Yeah.
And so you're overlapping maybe 1/4 inch. You're not overlapping the 1/4 weld, not half weld or 3/4 weld.
Okay.
You're only overlapping 1/4. So you kind of do bigger steps up,
Okay.
but you're not doing the Christmas tree zigzag
Okay.
yet.
No, okay.
But this is like on the, see, mine are like finer and more
right.
and tighter, the ripples are, but this is good. I mean,
I see I see what you're saying though. That's why I'm getting those points.
yes.
Instead of straight.
And you were technically going too far. See
Okay.
how wide the bead was, and you only had to cover that much of a
Right.
root, and you really like went
Okay.
washing left to right.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if you, the tighter you keep them,
Okay.
and just go, I want to say barely over the edge of the
Just over,
previous
yeah.
weld. Yes, and not like.
Well, when you
over
pause
the
there,
edge
it
and then
burns
it's-
in.
Yeah,
I went
saw,
through.
yes.
Yeah. I see what you mean. Yeah.
For
As
you.
far as multiple pass stuff, I've never done that.
Yeah, and
I mean,
if
all
you
the stuff
ever-
on weld has never been thick enough to do
Well,
that.
so if you do a trailer that is 1/4 inch material,
Okay.
you may want to think about putting 2 or 3 passes in on 1/4 inch
Okay.
material.
Okay.
Because if you do one pass, especially if it's a vertical weld, like going up,
Right.
it may not be enough. And if you do a vertical weld down with the regular make,
Yeah.
I don't want to drive behind that trailer after you fix it. If it's a jack stand, maybe, you know, like a trailer jack, but if it's
Yeah.
like something on the frame or on the hitch, on the coupler,
Right.
I'd rather be like in front of that trailer, not behind that trailer that you fix.